back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my 520D F11 BMW. All we're going to do is replace the fuel filler door. As you can see on mine, hopefully in the camera, it has actually been keyed, sorry, just there, all the way down. So instead of getting it resprayed, it's a 10-second job, honestly. And all you need to carry out the job is a flat bladed screwdriver. So yeah, let's get straight into it.
First open the cap up, put the screwdriver in this tab here and lever out. Then pull backwards, come straight off. Push back on, this is the reverse order. So line up with the tabs, like so. And then push back on. Sorted.
So there you go, guys, nice and quick, simple job for today. If you like what you see today, drop a comment down below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. And all you need is a flat bladed